Hola, bienvenidos a la clase de español. Welcome to Spanish class. My name is Liz Contreras, or La Señora Contreras, and I am the Spanish teacher here at Royal Fireworks Press. It is a pleasure to have you here today. Let me explain to you some of the things that we do in class. So this is one type of questioning or strategy that we use in class. It's called comprehensible input, where I help students to understand the vocabulary in context with the help of visuals. So for example, ¿cuál te gusta más? ¿Te gusta jugar al fútbol o te gusta jugar al baloncesto? Right? Their students are learning complex grammar structures through the visuals, they're able to figure it out, and I model too. A mí me gusta jugar al fútbol, ¿sí? Y me gusta también jugar al baloncesto. This can be a question that is a do now or an exit card. This is another one that is one of my favorites, my students, when we talk about pets too, o animales. ¿Qué te gusta más? ¿Te gusta un perro o un gato? ¿Sí? Este perro es pequeño, ¿sí? ¿Es pequeño o es grande? So I am always modeling and helping my students to participate and to interact throughout the lesson, right? In a way that is fun, in a way that students are, learning vocabulary through the participation in a, without the pressure feeling that they're learning only grammar. Of course, we also teach grammar, specific lessons about grammar, but I try to combine both methodologies, comprehensible input, visuals, and grammar. Some of the other strategies that we use in class, asking questions, answering questions, and always trying to hit the four modes of communication, where they are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So we'll always find that we're doing this type of activities throughout the lesson, right? Let me just make sure. Students can also reach out at any time. It is very important that they feel comfortable, right? That with me, and that they understand that, that at any time they are able to communicate with me. I always have the classroom expectations, positive attitude, to come on time, to complete all the activities. We use a platform where students are able to interact throughout the lesson. It's called Parent Deck. Our students are writing, and I'm able to give them a feedback immediately. Some other activities that we do in class are culture. We talk a lot about the Spanish-speaking countries. We do a lot of reading activities. We utilize also music, storytelling, and student choice, and activities where students can choose how they learn. So the combination, of course, of technology with learning a language is great, right? So thank you so much, and I hope to have you in my Spanish class. Understanding another language it's definitely a valuable tool, and I hope that you choose Spanish with me. Adios.